What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. In today's episode, we're going to go check out Triple Falls near Mankato, Minnesota. Now, this is a place I've been wanting to film at for a very long time now, and I'm actually back in southern Minnesota for a few days, so I figured we're going to bring the drone, the GoPros, and we're going to go to Triple Falls and check it out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we made it to Triple Falls. Here's what it looks like.